friends, today I will discuss about a very interesting issue which affect almost everyone, every woman. These problems may be like menstrual heavy bleeding, irregular period, painful period, and uterine infection. These all women's related problem can be solved by natural remedy, that is health tonic known as Asoka Rishta. So let's start. Asoka Rishta is an Ayurvedic tonic known as the natural friend of women. It is three dos nasak and balance Vat, Pitta and Kapha. Strongly recommended for the physical health and hormonal well-being of women. Nourishes the blood and improves the reproductive system. Maintain healthy production of female hormones, helping to regulate the menstrual cycle and eases the transition into menopause. Ingredient of Asokarishta. Asokarishta is a herbal classical Ayurvedic medicine containing the bark of Asoka tree as the chief ingredient. These are two ingredients list, Kwath Dravya and Prachepka Dravya. In these ingredients comes Asoka, water for decoction, and good or jaggery for fermentation. Next is Prachepak Dravya. In this Prachepak Dravya comes Dhatki, Swet Jeera, Mustaka, Salt, Dharvi, उत्पल, हरित की, विविध का, अम्ली की, आम्र, वस, चंदन. There are some benefits of these ingredients. First is Asoka bark. Asoka bark relieves in uterine spasms, dysmenorrhea, prolapse, miscarriages, and irregular menstrual cycles. It has diuretic properties also for other urinary disorders and stimulatory effect on the ovarian tissue and exhibit an estrogen like activity that enhances ovulation and repair of the endometrium. Tifla is a combination of Amliki, Vividki, and Haritki and used extensively in Ayurveda for the treatment of digestive disease. It helps with the digestion and assimilation of food, improve blood circulation, and has anti-inflammatory properties. Trifla is a rejuvenating tonic. Haritki. Haritki works on the digestive system and improves digestion and appetite. Its work on brain and cures anxiety and sleep disturbance. Dhatki. It has healing properties. Musta. It has appetizing and anti-inflammatory properties. Some biomedical actions of Asokarishta: antiseptic, capable of preventing infection by inhibiting the growth of infectious agents. Antitoxin, neutralizes toxins. Astringents, constrict tissue and septic. Diuretic, promoting excretion of urine and increase the amount of urine. Uterine septics, check bleeding from the uterus. Asokarishta healing benefits. First is treats pelvic inflammatory diseases. Asokarishta strong anti-inflammatory properties, treats pelvic inflammatory disease, prevents damage to the uterus, ovaries and other reproductive organs, eases menstrual cramps. Asokarishta promote the uterine function, lowers contraction and strengthens the uterus. The analgesic and antispasmodic properties help in easing the menstrual pain. Treat menorrhagia, metrorrhagia, and menometrorrhagia. Asocarista is used in treating menorrhagia, that means heavy prolonged periods. Metrorrhagia, that is excessive uterine bleeding. Menometrorrhagia, and also the symptoms of PCOS. It regulates uterine function and naturally reduces bleeding. Prevent dysmenorrhea. Asocarista is a magical tonic for uterus. It treats dysmenorrhea, that is painful period, and strengthens the uterus. Help in easier removal of the uterine lining during menstruation, reducing blood clots during period, hence preventing painful period cramp. Bone health. The richness of calcium and other minerals in Asocarista helps in keeping the bone health intact. It prevents the depletion of important bone materials, lowers the risk of osteoporosis, and strengthens the bones. It maintains a healthy production of female hormones. Side effect. Asocarista is an Ayurvedic medicine that is composed of natural constituents and hence it shows no major side effect. However, in certain cases, it may show some mild side effect like acidity and heartburn, high blood pressure, vomiting, and nausea. Asocarista interaction. Asocarista may interact negatively with some disease such as diabetes and other herbal or allopathic medicines. Hence, if the patient is undergoing any treatment, it is advisable to consult the doctor before using this drug. Interaction with alcohol. Asocarista containing 9 to 10% self generated alcohol and thus consuming alcohol during the consumption of this medicine may result in excessive alcohol consumption and intensified sedative effect of alcohol. Hence, it is advised that the patient should stop the consumption of alcohol during the course of the treatment. Brand available in market. Dabur Asocarista, Patanjali Asocarista, Badnath Asocarista, Sandhu Asocarista. Doses. The common dose of Asocarista is 5 to 10 ml once or twice a day for adult. However, one must consult a doctor before using it for correct dose. It can be administered to children aged above 5 years but only after due consultation with the doctor. It should not be given to children aged below 5 years. It cannot be used by lactating female as it may affect the health of the infant